Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to stop seeing TikTok on Instagram Explore. So if you are tired with like a TikTok like content or video on your Instagram, you can do these tips that I'm going to show you. So you can just for example, you don't want to like seeing TikTok like videos, for example this one's right here. So what you guys can do is you can just click on the three dots icon, and then here you can click on not interested, and then here you can choose one of the reason of why you're not interested on this content. I see too many reels like this, I don't want to see video with this audio, I don't want to see reels from this account, or this topic doesn't interest me and this reel makes me uncomfortable. You can just click on this, and then after that the Instagram will save your feedback. Or you can also restrict on some account that you don't want to see. For example, you can just go to your profile and then click on the three dots icon, and then here, so click on the three lines icon and then go to settings and then find privacy, and then in here scroll down until you find restricted account, and here you can just search on a certain like keyword or account. For example, here you can see a TikTok, and then here if you don't want to see a certain like a TikTok like account or video, you can just click on restrict, so that their content or video will not show in your Explore. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.